This is question number 6 in 2025 June paper. So in this question, they're asking us to solve a logarithm question. Okay, so this most of the terms are in the terms of log 2. Let me write this in a spacious place. It's log 2 4 minus x equals 3 plus log to the power 2 x plus 11 divided by 2. Okay, we got a lot of terms. Now what we can do is we can get the value. So let's try to take everything to a same base log, then we can get the logs outside together at the same time. So it's here the in front of 2 thing we can just make 4 minus x to the power square, because that's the value which is coming here. So if I think about the 3, we know the 3 is gonna be as a power. So with the log base 2, if you consider about base 2 to the power 3 is 8. So if I write it, log 2 to the power 8 is 3. So this 3 number I can replace it with log 2 to the power 8 plus log 2 to the power 2 to the base plus 11 divided by 2. So we have this working in a separate place. Okay, now let's get everything into a single thing, which is log 2 to the power 8 times, which is we can put a bracket 11 divided by 2. So this side is going to get log 2 to the power 4 bracket x plus 11. This side is log 2 to the power 4 minus x to the power 2. Yeah, once we get this, we know we can remove the log from both the sides. Here also log 2, here also log 2. Since they are the same base, now we can drop off. So we can write the thing, since both with same base, we can say 4 minus x squared is equal to 4 times x plus 11. Of course, now let's we do this up, we call it expansion. X squared minus this thing, so it will be minus 12x minus 28. So if you need the simplification step, I'll write from that just in case we wanted, or everybody can understand. Negative 8x, because there's like a 4x and another 4x, plus x squared is 4x plus 44. So here x squared minus 12x, we are taking this also to the other side, which will be negative value, because it's gone to the other side. It's negative 28 equals 0. So this means x negative 14 and x plus 2 equals 0. So what are the option is, x can be either 14 or x can be either negative 2. So if we check the answers, we have to make sure whether all the answers are acceptable, or is there something that we can crop off. One thing is we have 4 minus x. Another one is we have x plus 11 divided by 2 inside the logarithms. Let's put the first answer. First answer would be 4 minus 14, which is negative 10. So this cannot be. So no need to even check this also. X is 14. The other one is x is -2. 4 minus 2, which is 6. Other one is -2 plus 11 divided by 2, which is also going to be not a bad number. It's like positive 9. 9 divided by 2, it's like a 4.5. Both are positives. So this validates the answer. So since they x equals 14 cannot be, but it fails the logarithm rule, but x equals -2 is passes. So we can say x value after solving. So the x is going to be -2. Okay, now after we got this, we're going to get there are two different curves. This curve and the other curve, they meet at the point P. So we have to find the exact coordinates of P. So you can have it in this format as well. I'm like, you should have it in that format. So if we consider the equation that we have, the point P intersect at, I'm like, without at thingy, we don't know the coordinate, it intersects. I said, what do we have? The first equation is 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Y equals 3 to the power 2x plus 1. And y equals 6 times 3 to the power x